Adults, 38% say that they use their phone while watching television. Alpha is 0.05. Is there enough evidence? All right, so here we go. H sub O. H sub A. What should I write?
P is greater than 30 for the H sub A.
Mm-hmm.
It would be 0.3, yeah.
The P is less than equal to 1.3.
Mm-hmm.
So H is above.
And then we're going to draw a picture. Left-tailed, right-tailed, two-tailed.
Right tail.
We're using rejection regions. So now we have to find a rejection region edge. This is 0.05 over here. So what do I need to look up?
0.05.
0.05 under.
It reads to the left.
0.95.
0.95.
So I'm going to look up 0.95 on my chart. Technically, you could look up 0.05 and make it positive and do it that way. 0.95 in the middle of the table.
She just said you could look at
1.645. Are these numbers starting to stick in your head? 2.33, 1.645, 2.575.
look up the negative one and make it
It's
positive.
okay, because you'll have this to always look it up. Okay, everybody okay with this so far? Okay, now we're gonna use our calculator. Everybody take out your calculator. Hit stat. Tests. What do you think we're gonna do?
You do Z-test.
No. What? The z-test is what we would have done for 7.2, Carter. What? Did you hear the astonishment? What? It's like I just revealed something crazy in a movie and Carter's shocked.
Number 5.
5, 1 proportion z-test. Okay, so to clarify, everybody look up. Z-test would have been 7.2. T-test was the last one we did, 7.3. This option 5 is 7.4. All the 2 sample stuff is all in chapter 8. That's when you're comparing 2 populations, like juniors versus freshmen or whatever. All right, P sub O, what should I write? 0.3.
What is P sub O?
P sub O is our null P. So 0.3. X. X is out of how many you have for success. It doesn't tell us on here. We have to figure it out ourselves. How do we figure out what 38% of 150 is?
Divide.
Multiply.
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 Not
bad.
Yeah, I bet you could. Let's try it. 38% times 150. Yeah, nice, Ryan.
Wow.
Go get a prize. I didn't know that. N is 150 adults. Yes? And then, what do you think I should do for this one?
All right.
Far right, we want the greater than option over here. And we're gonna hit draw because we like pictures. If you didn't hit draw, it wouldn't make a bell curve. Settle it down, Carter. So our z-score ends up being 2.138. And we're doing this with z-scores, rejection regions. We don't even care about the p-value. All right, so I'm going to draw a dotted line over here.
Do we have to draw a dotted line?
You don't. It just helps me kind of think, okay, I'm definitely going to reject because it's in the rejection region. It's an easy way to kind of guarantee you're doing it right. So I'm going to reject the null, and then what?
Accept the claim.
That
What's X?
in this, in here, that's how many people said yes out of 150. So like, what?
Why wouldn't they put it in P?
Because usually you don't have that. Usually when you're doing your own study, I mean, you could figure out p hat, but it's trying to do all the work for you. So like when you're doing your study and you're finding out, what was your hypothesis test again?
Wait, my state.
Yeah, your study.
I think that 30% of my graders get the most of it.
Right, and so you don't even have to calculate that number, you're just gonna be like, I got 5 yeses out of 20. And so you put 5 in X and 20 in N, and it would do the rest for you. Or you could do it by hand, do it a different way, yeah?
So with that 4,
What's up with what for?
you have negative 1.84 in the line. About the less than 40% in the first,
Here?
yes.
You're just angry because it's taller than the other
I
one?
was just wondering.
Okay, sure, yeah.
I just wondered if you did something.
Cole, why does it matter?
I don't know.
Says Triton. Triton who likes to focus on the weirdest things imaginable.
What are you talking about?
Did you notice it too, Jerry?
I did, I just didn't want to say anything.
Don't wanna,
I was just
don't,
secretly judging.
don't wanna embarrass Miss Nussbaum about that tall 4. How embarrassing. You go home tonight at dinner, your parents are like, anything exciting happened today? I'm like, Nussbaum, I'm the stupidest 4 in math class. It was extra tall. And your parents are gonna laugh so hard. Okay, next one we're gonna do is p-values by hand. And then we're gonna do p-values by calculator, and then we'll be done. Okay? All right, p-values by hand. My goodness, you guys. A researcher claims that 86% of college graduates say that their college degree has been a good investment. You sample 1,000 graduates, and you find that 845 say that their college degree has been a good investment. At alpha equals 0.1, is there enough evidence to reject the researcher's claim? Okay, null alternative, talk to me.
P equals 0.86.
You know what I really hate about this? Is that, okay, are you making fun of me?
No, sorry.
Okay,
Stop gonna make some blow my nose.
hilarious. How dare you blow your nose? We'd prefer it just drain down your face. That's what we like better. They say that their college degree has been a good investment. So what is the claim?
It equals.
Equals points.
86.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I already said.
So that's the claim right there? Okay. All right, so we're gonna do this by hand. Left-tailed, right-tailed, two-tailed. Two-tailed. Ooh, that's a bad one.
I also drew a really bad one.
Perfectly balanced, you guys.
You guys want to see mine?
Yeah, we do.
Besides, it's not connecting, but. Just push down the way.